Hi guys, in the previous video we created some embossed text using the wrap feature. We did it with and without selecting a pull direction. A limitation of the wrap feature is that it does not have an option built in for adding a draft angle. So in this video I'm going to explore a way to get around that. So first let's go ahead and edit the existing wrap function. So this time around we are going to select the scribe function. So what this does is that it creates split lines based on the shape of the characters. So next, let's choose the extrude surface function. I have it on my shortcut bar here. So once you select that, there will be a window with some text. So we are all familiar with extruding surfaces from sketches. That is what the first half of the text is describing. So the second half of the text, it says that to extrude from a surface, do one of the following. Either select a 3D face or press alternate plus and select a planar face. So we are going to do the second method here. By holding on to the alternate key, press onto one of the surfaces. In this case, I will go ahead and select the S character. So at this point, we can click on the letters individually. But I'm going to show you a quicker way. Now we need to select all the split faces, but not the rest of the curved surface. So let's delete the face that has already been populated and start over. We are going to make use of the direction sensitive nature of the box select function. When you box select from left to right, only surfaces that are completely enclosed within the blocks will be captured. When you box select from right to left, anything that you come into contact with will get selected. So let's try selecting from right to left first and see what happens. So box select right to left. You can see all the letters have been selected, including the curved surface, but we do not want that. So let's try another way. So let's select from left to right. So unfortunately, we still need to deselect some of these faces. So once that is done, we will leave the end condition as blind. Next, we need to select direction of extrusion. And in this case, we will choose the top plane. And we will choose a thickness of 5 mm. Now the great advantage that the surface extrude feature has over the wrap feature is the ability to add draft. So let's add a 3-degree draft. So once the draft has been added, just do a quick eyeballing of the preview to make sure that the draft direction is correct. Now there's a function to cap ends. So let's leave that unchecked for the moment and exit the feature and see what happens. So you can see that the surfaces have been created from the edges created by the split lines. but these are all open faces, judging from the edges in blue. So that is where the option to insert cap ends comes in. So let's go back to edit the function. So let's go ahead and select cap ends. And we are going to choose delete original faces and also need result. So by checking on delete original faces, we will be deleting the original faces that were created during the scribe option. And by checking the need option, all open faces will be merged into one single surface. So at this point, Solidworks will actually go on further to create a complete solid. So let's click OK. So if you look at the solid bodies folder and the surfaces folder, in this case there's only one single solid body and there are no surfaces. So you can further do a cross section to verify. You can see that it is indeed one single solid. Alright, this concludes the series on how to create embossed text on models. Hope that the Solidworks users out there have learned something useful from this. I will see you again soon.